Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Ngicela ningakhohlwa ukulike and subscribe. Inkinga of the problem le ndaba yeBafana Bafana bafethu, ama-fans amaningi we-Kaizer Chiefs athi bona bobe basapota u-goalkeeper wabo uNtwari, noma ngithi uNtwari walaphana eRwanda. Hayi, sesisusa umsindo omkhulu-ke laphana kuma-social media platforms. Baningi abantu abangenelelayo bayakhomenta bathi bona ngeke bayisapote iBafana Bafana because of ama-player we-Kaizer Chiefs awakhethwa. UHugo Broos naye u-against i-Kaizer Chiefs kwasha kwacima, wayikhethwa ama-player Orlando Pirates Mamelodi Sundowns. Kuphela kuningi nje okukhulunywayo laphana bafethu kuma-social media platforms. Even uThomas Mlamba, Thomas Mlamba ubhale i-statement laphana ku-Twitter bafethu, uthi ibhola lase-South Africa ama-fans nanokuthi-ke babheka ama-team wabo nje kuphela. Uthi kusho ukuthi i-South Africa ingawina i-World Cup but abantu still they will be mad ukuthi noma ngithi bazonyanya noma bazokwata ukuthi umuntu noma i-player from eklabhini le club abayisapotayo bona akekho laphana esquadini. Uthi-ke nje ukugula lokho, i-madness moyibheka overall leyo nto leyo. Then-ke abantu bakhomentileka abaningi bafethu, abanye but the comment engiyibonile bathi, Thomas, wena kumele utshele uHugo Broos, ucoach weBafana Bafana, ukuthi ayeke lento leyo ukuthi afake amagama wama-team. It seems like yena uba biased cause uye umuntu oqale yonke lento lena. So indaba nje indaba ye-Kaizer Chiefs kumele afocus ukuthi abe yi-national coach, ayekele ibhenta nokunye nje to ama-fans. Kusho ukuthi mekhuluma ngebhenta ukhuluma ngalento leyo yokugwarana online, yokudlala, but-ke abantu sebayithatha serious-ke no-coach beBafana Bafana sebayangenelela. Isikhathi esiningi njalo ukhuluma nge-Kaizer Chiefs, you can easily ignore le ndaba ye-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi ubani. I mean, usho into ebhedayo ucoach uHugo Broos, yabo. Mina I support iBafana Bafana obvious ukuthi-ke whether they select obani, but-ke what I can't stand ukuthi njalo akhulume ngama-teams, individual players, and ubias, yes, siyambona ukuthi ubias, but uyawathola ama-results. But this time around kubonakala ngathi iya-collapse indaba yakhe World Cup, and they have to answer why they did not qualify. Indaba yakhe uthi Kaizer Chiefs, I mean lo coach mina angimazi u-coach. Khona izinto as much as behind yena ukuthi Bafana iqualify kwasha kwacima, but khona izinto engingamelanga akhulume. Mebuzwa nge-Kaizer Chiefs uthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ayidlali kahle, noma usho kwamanye amagame ukuthi ayidlalanga kahle i-Kaizer Chiefs. Ngeke ngasho ukuthi ujaji i-Kaizer Chiefs as i-team ukuthi ayithola ama-results, akajaji as individual players. For example, Thabiso Munyane beperforma kahle kakhulu but akamselekthanga, but uthe i-Kaizer Chiefs, wathi i-Kaizer Chiefs ayikakenzi kahle. Oh man, yes, lesi statement sesi-2 wathi Kaizer Chiefs ayenzi kahle njengoba ingasawina ama-game, but Kaizer Chiefs mayiqala isizini 5 games undefeated but still angaselect ama-player Kaizer Chiefs, waba ne-excuse yet again. Athi Thabiso Munyane kusamele be-prove for the next few weeks ukuthi ba-qualify ukuza laphana esquadini. So i-fairness ayikho right because uchoose ama-player wakuSwelele FC. I mean, bheka iSwelele, ngike ngakhuluma iSwelele FC sizidlala kahle na iSwelele? No, adlali kahle, but i-Kaizer Chiefs yena ufuna ukuyijaja as i-team yonke, akayijaji ama-individual players. So lento le i-divide amanye abantu. Let me check amanye ama-comments lana online ukuthi athini. Omunye uthi lana ama-Kaizer Chiefs fans abangumsindo noma loud, but-ke no player laphana eklabhini ye-Kaizer Chiefs deserve ukuba kuBafana Bafana, bonke inkomo. Statement esibold laphana esikhulunywa umfowethu, but I think i-statement sakhe uThabiso Munyane uyadeserve ukuba Kaizer Chiefs, akekho kuba kuBafana Bafana, akekho kuBafana Bafana because of ulimele, but ama-performances wakhe layo siwabonile bafethu agude kakhulu. I think omunye bekazoba yi-contender uMcCarthy, but-ke performance yakhe sesiyayibona isafani le waqale isizini ngakhona. I thought he was gonna be a Bafana star by the end of the year since aqale kahle nje isizini yakhe laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, but khona abantu abaselectwa based on ukuthi badlala kumaphi ama-team. Khona for example, yabona uSipho Mbuli meqala ukuselectwa kuBafana Bafana, for mina beyangadeserve ukuba kuBafana Bafana uSipho Mbuli, but I would say this, ama-performances wakhe are-good. Angifuni ukuqamba manje, ngiyabona ama-performances siwabonayo kuSipho Mbuli even against iZimbabwe, I mean top notch performances. So masimjaja through nge-performance le yakuZimbabwe against nale performance against Nigeria, uyambona ukuthi umdlalo onga-improve each and every game is getting better and greater, but you can't. And khona ama-selections are-questionable, kufana no-Evidence Makgopa, as much as amazi, but akabe fair ucoach ngama-selections wakhe. Khona ama-player adlala kahle kakhulu, abantu ba-complaina Ama-player weSkhukhune United ukuthi adlala kahle kakhulu but no selection. I mean uKeletso bafethu there is no way emhlabeni la player lela one of the biggest stars ku-P_S_L akaze aselekthwa kuBafana Bafana loya muntu loya, nix, zero since last season akaselekthwa kanjani? I mean ama-players afana nabo-Thembinkosi Lorch awaselekthwa kuBafana Bafana, ipolitiki nje. uThembinkosi Lorch une-international experience, bekhona laphana iBafana Bafana mayenza kahle nini, that time inokha out i-Egypt ku-AFCON wayekhona uThembinkosi Lorch, he came from the bench, straight from the bench wakwazi ukushaya igoli. So I mean i-fairness ibaluleke kakhulu bafethu ukuthi okay noma singa-criticize amanye ama-team but guess what, fairness ibalulekile. Selection ababe fair abantu leyo abaselect abantu ngakhona. Or uthi ureplacer say player le, I remember this one time ucoach replace iplayer le-Orlando Pirates ngele-Orlando Pirates elinye. Angisho ukuthi akangakwenzi lokho but-ke bheka i-P_S_L as a whole, angithi ucoach uthi yena u-fair, uselect abantu based on merit, akaselect abantu kahle-ke nge-honest. Mina angikhaleli i-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs kwenzakalani but ngikhalela i-P_S_L yonke. Khona ama-player amaningi bafowethu angaselekthwa laphana kuBafana Bafana. Uzobheka iMamelodi Sundowns at the moment i-fluidity yakhona ayifani and then ucoach ushilo ukuthi iMamelodi Sundowns nayo, Hugo Broos ushilo ukuthi iMamelodi Sundowns akusile iMamelodi Sundowns lesiyijwayele but guess what, iMamelodi Sundowns iyakwazi ukuselekta ama-player awu-8. Siyazi ukuthi uReyners ulimele wamreplace ngoMakgopa, I think kwasala 7 but uyakwazi ukuselekta ama-player eMamelodi Sundowns. Iplayer leMamelodi Sundowns ureplace ngeplayer leMamelodi Sundowns. UKhoza ureplace bani masibheka, kuba uMvala bekakhona laphana kuBafana Bafana before alimale. uKekana bekhona kuBafana Bafana, iplayer leMamelodi Sundowns, ngikhuluma ngoGrant Kekana. So mawubheka overall uBathusi Obas uperforma kanjani at the moment kuMamelodi Sundowns, uyadlala? Akadlali isikhathi esiningi laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns but kuBafana Bafana. So i-fairness is very important bafowethu. Noma kuthiwa ucoach yes is able to win games, lokho siyamhlonipha but-ke mezokhuluma ngama-team and individual players akhuluma abheke because i-selection yakhe i-questionable, especially this season is very questionable. Ilo ukwazile ukuwina ngeMamelodi Sundowns, ngokubhilda i-team around iMamelodi Sundowns eyenza kahle kakhulu ne-experience but manje lawo ama-performances awasafani, the team is going down. So you wanna go down with it? Kufuneka igoli last minute laphana against iZimbabwe ufake Evidence Makgopa. Uke wakorapho Evidence Makgopa waba yi-hero kakhulu. He's not a proven goal scorer, unokushayisana namagoli but he's not a proven goal scorer, kusuwumuntu o-creative. uThembinkosi Lorch lawo ma-moments lawo asisho ukuthi bekazokora yena but i-creativity ayilethayo egamini, udirect, uyahlupha. Hayi bafowethu but yeah asibheke amanye amalokhunjana. What about the national? Oh yeah, ulo khona ubhuti la uMr Sambo osikhomentile ukuthi what about i-national team coach o-criticize ama-players we-Kaizer Chiefs njalo. I-fairness ayikho lapho, ayikho at all. So you can't just criticize, ufocus ku-team eyodwa you-criticize. Just say you don't want to talk about Kaizer Chiefs, that's it. Noma ama-journalist akubuza because there was uthi yena mabambuza ngama-selection wamanye ama-player uthe ngeke a-explain ukuthi why aselect ama-player. So don't explain why you don't select Kaizer Chiefs players. Don't go to a point la uthi khona i-Kaizer Chiefs ayidlali kahle. i-Kaizer Chiefs ibe yidlala but-ke they can't convert their opportunities. So fairness bafethu. Yeah. Hayi asibambelane okwamanje bafethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe, is making sure ukuthi le page ifika ku-15,000 subscribers.